I've been waiting to open this bin for something special, and I would say bin number 25, halfway through our series, is something special to celebrate. You'll see why, we'll get there. I'll give you a hint, it's very colorful, just like my pink shirt. So we're starting off with some pens here. Oh, these are my favorite pens. We had found some in another bin, and I was like, these are my favorite pens, but they were a different brand. These are the Papermate Profiles. I love these. We got a bunch of different colors. We also have some pretty, oops, my bin's falling, some pretty gel pens, it looks like. There's some rainbow ones in here. Lots of goodies. And talking about how meticulous these bins have been since the beginning, look, there's literally swatches with the colors. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. If y'all are new to this series, I recently purchased an 80-year-old crafter's entire collection of craft supplies spanning 5 rooms in her home. And she did have to move, so she couldn't take it with her. We've been unbinning them one at a time for my shop. My name is Stephanie, and I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. People can trade in supplies that they no longer want for store credit. That way we can keep our prices low and keep art affordable for everyone in our community. We do have an eBay shop as well, so if you're not local, do not worry. You can find all of our links at bottomofthebin.com. So this bin is full of tags. That one matches my shirt. That's not what we're looking for though. It's in this, you can kind of see it's in this general direction. But we've got lots of different tags in here. Oh my gosh, including like literal pricing tags. We'll use those for the shop. We actually use those. We have these bigger ones, and there is a bob. Why wouldn't there be a bob? Of course there's a bob, just waiting to take all of our tags. Oh, those are cute little like jewelry tags. These are great for obviously making your own mixed media or stamping on them, using them for all sorts of stuff. You know, people decorate these tags and then put them on gifts, or they use them for things like junk journaling. There's lots and lots of uses for these. This one says Christmas to color. We had something like that in another bin, but it was just, I think, blank cards. Oh, okay, these have been stamped. It looks like she stamped these herself, and she's waiting to color them in to make Christmas cards with. That's actually a cute idea to have them pre-stamped. There's some penguins, some birdies. What a fun idea. Oh my gosh, some kitties with a floral hair crown. We haven't even gotten into like the big stamp collection yet. We've seen some of the ones, well, not the big ones, I should say. We haven't seen the wooden ones yet. We've seen a lot of the clear cling ones. Haven't even scratched the surface on those, but we do have a giant organizer, like a whole thing of drawers just full of the large wooden stamps. So one day we will unbin, undrawer, unorganize it. Wow, Steph. We'll go through that one day. Trying to be clever. Sometimes we come up with words like unbinning, and sometimes we just flop. There are a ton of little clear cases in here, and bottles and salt and pepper shakers. I'm just gonna kind of clear these off. Okay, so we've got this box here. Oh, antique label book. We had one of these in one of the other bins. And some cute tags. Are those Traffic 45? They are. I recognize them immediately. One of my favorite brands. Ooh, water soluble oil pastels. Hold on. Okay, I couldn't figure out how to open it. I got it open, and then the trays slide out. Oh, how fun. Those are some great colors. I've never really dealt with pastels or oils very much. However, I know these are going to be a big hit in our shop. I can never get these closed again. All right, there we go. Oh, upside down. We are doing this really cool new bin of the day. These are all Winnie the Pooh stickers. Very cute. I think I was going to go through this and I got distracted by the stickers, but that's okay. I love me some good stickers. Oh, this one's kitties. Love me some kitties. Pretty birdies. Oh, cute little seahorses and fishies. This one has some ships. I love this. What is this from? How cute. There was 2 bags of these and a ton more stickers. We never have a shortage of stickers though. Honestly, we have so many. It's kind of wild. Oh, those bees. Those bees, can you see those? Those are so cute. I feel like I'm gonna knock over this whole thing. We also have a lot of these glitter on a roll. They're stars and pretty designs and more stars and more stars. Some gold foil stars. That takes me back to literal childhood. All right, I don't know if there's anything exciting in here. I just see a lot of the same stuff that we just saw. There's some tags, Some little droppers, empty bottles. I don't think that one went in the bin. More of these trim tape thingies. I already forgot what they're called. And more empty bottles. And more empty bottles. All right, we're getting to what I'm excited about. I'm hoping these are all markers in here. Let's see what the label says. Momento markers in these really fun boxes. Y'all were asking what these are called. They're called Click Box. And I definitely have a few of those that I set aside for my collection because I'm going to be reorganizing and further organizing a lot of my supplies. So make sure to follow on YouTube so you don't miss that. It'll be probably a nice, long, hopefully relaxing video. So I'm not familiar with the Momento brand, but there is a ton in here. I mean, look at all these. I just want to sit and watch them all. Don't really have time to do it now, but that might be a fun little project. Dual markers. Anybody know about these brands? Or this brand, is it pretty good? Acid-free, water-based, fast drying. Made in Japan. Okay, I'm curious. I'm gonna swatch one that matches my shirt. Whoa, that is a nice brush tip. And then this one is more, I don't know if I would call that fine, but definitely smaller. I swatched a couple off camera because I don't really have a flat surface, but yeah, they still work. They look great. They feel great. Let's get that clicked back in. I'm not sure if these are going to be sold as a set or individually. I'll have to see what they go for. All right, here's what I'm really excited about. I've been staring at this from the side of the bin since we started this series, and they are Spectrum Noir, which I have some of the glitter pens, like the glitter paint. I think these are just markers though, which is still super cool. I mean, look at this huge collection. I know that these are not cheap, so this is a really, really great find. This whole first one is just all of the different blues and teals and some purples. That side looks almost like, I don't know, like a highlighter. And that looks more just like a regular thin marker. Fine and broad. Okay, that's the technical terms. There's also something different in here. A Letraset Pro Marker. Not sure about that one. There's a couple in there. I don't know, it just makes me happy. Oh, it looks like she did swatch these. Am I surprised? No, I'm not surprised. With their official names. That's really cool. How cute. Okay, I'm getting these out of the bin so we can get a better look. Here is some more swatches. That's super cool. I wonder if this came with the set. I imagine so. I guess there's no real reason to pull all of these out of here other than I think they're pretty and I want to take a closer look. I might test a few, but these are neutrals and grays. This one is greens and yellows. I want to play with them all. I don't even really use markers. I'm not going to lie. I don't really use markers. But anything rainbow and colorful and pretty just makes me smile. It really makes me smile. Here we have the Flesh Tan and Browns. Ooh, this one has some little swatches as well. It looks like some corals. My gosh, there's so many of them. I can't believe how many they are. This has to be like everyone ever made, right? And then we have pink, red, and orange to match me and my shirt today. Oh, this was just such a joy to go through, y'all. I think I need to just swatch a couple here. Look at those. Oh my gosh, what beautiful colors. Okay, I can't resist. I need to test at least a couple of these. Okay, this one just says DR5. It looks close to my shirt color, so we'll start there. Ooh, I'm so glad they still work. Some people were commenting, worried that this collection might be out of date. And yes, some things might be older, but so far, pretty much everything's worked. There's been like a couple of things of blue that might have been a little questionable, but all the markers and pens and pencils have been great. Ooh, this one's pretty. These are so good. Does anyone use the Spectrum Noir? I know a lot of people like, ooh, there goes the cap. A lot of people like their Copic or Copic or however you say that. I know these, I don't think these are alcohol based. I'm actually not sure though. If anyone knows more, definitely let me know in the comments below. There are the swatches, looking cute. This whole thing just put a giant smile on my face. I hope it did for you as well. Make sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.